Bonfire night. Why do we still do that? We shouldn't do that. But think about what bonfire night actually is. We gather around the village, we build a doll of a Catholic man, and we burn it in front of children. Like, look, kids, that's what happens when you fuck with the government. Bobbing for apples, that's just waterboarding kids for fruit. You know when you watch the news and there's like a riot or a demonstration in the Middle East and they're burning an effigy, throwing rocks in the street and there's fighting, that little English voice in your brain goes, I'm glad I don't live there. Glad I live in a civilised country. Yeah, the only difference between bonfire night and an extremist riot, on bonfire night we check for hedgehogs.